up here, but every single one of the pumps has a sign that says no gas.
Slight right on Airport Boulevard, then slight left to stay on Airport Boulevard. Slight left to stay on Airport Boulevard. Of a mile. For south, Terminal Parkway.
Alright, we've arrived at the airport. We got the
chauffeur too.
yeah, this is a good parking spot right here. But I'm gonna fold my mirrors in. You gotta remember, we gotta remember where we parked. Alright, South Hourly Level 3. So basically what's gonna happen is it's 6 o'clock in the morning now, and we're gonna fly out and pick up Holden's truck. Immediately we're gonna drive back here, pick up my truck, and then go back home. So full day. Drag radials. Oh. Our Uber XL getting picked up in style. The AT4. Is that Matt? That man zoned out. What up?
Your Uber is here.
All right, is this Matthias?
This is. Your Uber has arrived.
All right, perfect.
Come on.
The twin turbo setup that Holden just got. Okay, that's a little head snapper right there. That'll put you back in your seat. Sounds lovely, man.
It does sound good. A little bit different noise than the other compound stuff I made. I'm guessing just due to two different chargers.
No traction control this time. Yeah, that's pretty legit. That's pretty legit, man. Okay. I don't know how you gonna keep this thing planted at Rudy's, man.
Yeah, slicks in there. And
Are those your rock lights?
Yes, sir.
1236s.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. That 360, not like a 175 60 foot.
I mean, when you got something to show off under the hood.
Exactly. Your truck's too damn tall anyway.
I know you couldn't see it. They'd be like, I see the lights, but that's it.
You can fool people. Make people want to look under your hood and it's stock.
Like, what the hell's he got lights up? There's nothing up here.
It could be. I've already had that issue back when I was tuning deleted on it.
Okay. This turbo is now pressurizing that, so it's like a multiplier factor. So this tube will be anywhere from probably 30 to 45 pounds of boost feeding that. So now, just a compression.
Okay.
So basically, the more compressed the air,
Yeah.
the better the engine performs.
Right,
It
exactly.
hard spiked at 45 pounds.
I never knew why, like,
Yeah, so it,
People put
diesels
like I said,
needed
that's what it meant.
turbos.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was to get compressed air. So, yeah.
So it makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense.
So having two is twice the amount of air.
Right there. It's almost like scuba diving to me, right? Like
Yeah.
when you scuba dive, you have compressed air in your tank, and if I have two tanks, I have more air and I can go longer, right?
Yeah, I guess. One of the main reasons why we came here to is one, pick up Holden's truck, and two is build a turbo for me for the L5P, for my 2020 L5P. I'm sorry, Matthias. Matt.
I mean, I know they stand look alike.
Matt happened to be like staying like 30 minutes from here at his family's house on vacation. So he picked us up from the airport. So huge shout out. Take a look at the turbo for the 2020. Sweet. So
Stock 5P here.
we'll see you in Georgia. I'm actually gonna give my stealth module to Matt. Heading out. I'm ready to see how this thing performs.
Yeah, well,
Too bad you can't really send it.
Yeah, we'll just fucking go nowhere.
Picked up Holden's truck. We just left the performance shop that worked on his L5P. We got about what, 10-hour drive, 8-hour drive back to Atlanta.
8.5 hours to Atlanta, and then
From Atlanta to
2:15, something like that.
all right. Yeah, he can't really get on it because, well, obviously it's raining. So we're gonna have to wait until maybe, I don't know, maybe it's not raining in Tennessee, but we're gonna have to find out later just to see how much better this truck performs with the turbos and fixing the multiple boost leaks that he's had for a while now.
Yeah,
But
since the first set of compounds.
yeah, and that 8-hour drive sounds way better than 10 hours. Bro, you don't want none? Let's see if he wants it.
It was full.
We've been trying to catch up to that Ford that drove by us like 15 minutes ago, and these cars in front of us in the passing lane aren't really passing anybody, so we've just been stuck here for like 15-20 minutes trying to figure out how we're gonna catch up to that Ford. We may have found that F-250 up there after about 25-30 minutes of trying to catch up, getting stuck behind traffic. I mean, he's been hauling ass though this whole time.
It's not even that. He had an open pocket.
That's true. Alright, false alarm. That's just an F-150. Not the F-250 that we saw earlier.
I know it did.
You think he got off?
I thought that was in the far right lane, so
Well,
right there.
there's an LBZ or LOY Duramax back there. No, he's gone too. Well, next diesel we find, we're gonna try to race. So we got a Dura Bourbon. Maybe. Right there.
Had a very big exhaust to be able to gas.
Yeah. So it's that LMM that's pulling it. Oh, come on. Oh, there it is. Is that a Oh, there's a Duramax. Yep, that's a Duramax badge on a Suburban.
Orange exhaust is a giveaway.
Oh, that's a big exhaust on that.
I know, dude. I saw the exhaust and I was like, yo, was that a Duramax?
Oh, this dude's jamming. Durabird, we're coming for you. Oh yeah.
when I
trying
get my thumbs up.
He's not even trying anymore.
Still, let's be a team.
Give him thumbs up. Oh, he wants it.
That's good though.
That's good. Ruh-roh. Diesel fuel leaking. Turns out it was just a filter.
Alright. Alright, remember, this is going to be 2 separate orders. Yes.
You can just do me a favor on that first one, right?
Yes, on the first one, if I can get one of the, how do you pronounce that?
Chalupa?
One of the, chalupa combos.
The number 6.
Well, the, quesalupa, my bad. Sorry about that.
Oh, you're good. And what was that drink?
If I can get a Pepsi. On the, Chalupa, could I get a, quesalupa? If I could get it with no sour cream and no tomato. Can I make those soft tacos also? Or is it crunchy only?
Yeah, I can make them soft.
That's what she said!
Okay. And that's it for the first order.
Sauce?
Medium. Mild.
I'll get
Jesus.
first one's gonna be 6. Go ahead for the second one.
I'm gonna get the
Quesalupa.
quesalupa combo.
You want everything on it?
Yeah.
Alright, and then if I can get on the second order another quesalupa combo,
Alright.
but with everything on it.
Cool.
I appreciate it. That was so. The whole order was butchered. I was over here saying chalupa when I meant to say, yeah. I said it fine the first time. Did you get that recording?
It's 11:56, so we made it back to Atlanta in one day. So we flew to Indiana this morning and then drove back, all in one day.
Way better than a 23, 24
Yeah.
hour ride.
Yeah.
Between combo last time.
The first time we drove 10 hours there, dropped this truck
It was
off.
longer than 10 hours.
Yeah, and then we drove right back. So we did freaking 20 hours nonstop. Home sweet home. It's been 22 hours. So I'm extremely tired. We got a new turbo on the way for the L5P pretty soon, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to share this video with somebody else who's got a 2020 Duramax or even just any kind of L5P, because I have plenty of L5P content on this channel. So make sure to share this video with somebody who has an L5P who would be interested in L5P content. But thank you guys so much for watching. Keep on the lookout for future videos. We have some exciting stuff coming, but I'll see you guys next time. Peace.